Hello everyone, good evening. Today I'm in Goa Beach. Right now it's going sunset time. Look at the view, enjoy the view in sunset view. And today I'm not work. The full day on sitting now. Today I'm video recording now. I will show you guys in sunset time today, okay? Look, today it's beach, it's empty, nobody here. It's people, more than less people here. And sea is very behind today. Look. Now I'm going to that side, rock side. Maybe I look sunset, especially for sunset time. So today also going to good sunset, so I will show you guys, huh? You have to look at the video. And who I am already, always I'm talking, and every day it's my name and I'm from. Okay guys, I'm today not say my name, and I'm just recording the video. So I'm going to over the rock side, so I have to see something views, an evening view. She going to very behind, and there's a lot of people come stay from stone rock side. A lot of people enjoy the view, and it's very nice for watching for sunset. And I'm also going there in the rock side. And now I rotate my camera. Okay. Now people make here is sun. Somebody make a statue. And here is Lap Belmalutuk. Lot of people is swimming inside, look in the corner side, and drinking beer and swimming in seaside is people is very nice. And now people, some Indian couples staying there, enjoy the view. When here is stone, and here is my friend. So here's my friend, is paragliding pilot. Now here is people look swimming. I'm going to rock side. I'm climbing. Okay. Now hello everyone. You have to look at the mussels and seashells inside. This is all the seashells inside. And it's from Goan people. It's a sea going behind, and people come here. Then it's going to open. Look, some people open like that, like this. People cook here. Then we open. Then inside it's very. Fishing is very small. It's small, yes, not bigger, but it's like soup is very tasty. And all the time people come here. So today, here is small blue sky, and I'm here. Look, this is a small, and there is small crabs also inside. Yeah. So now today it's a sea is very behind, so that's why I'll come from this rock. Otherwise, it's sometimes full water here in this stone, so no possible to people come here. So now it's today sea is very behind side. Then it's I'm come here. It's luckily this stone, and we have a look here. There's so many crab and shells, crabs. I already told you. But I'm today almost show you. It's like sunset view. Now it's going. Right now it's going to sunset. Look over there. The sea is very behind, and it's people swimming. Wow. he guys from North India, Himachal Pradesh. And now today we are the same company, same place job, and we are all paragliding pilots. And today and this is sunset view, sunset point. And today I'm recording, I think, nice video, guys. Everyone, if you like, so thank you so much for me. You have to watching for my video, everyone. Bye bye. Okay, now on today's rockside and sunset point, but finally I did it. It's a video recording. When I will see again tomorrow evening, guys. Bye bye. See you.